Hey guys, back again with the White Sox, Skylanders. So I spent 80 bucks and I got this game, Imaginators, not with the money though. I got this game. And you know the starter pack, the Golden Queen and the Penguin and the Fire Crystal. But I got it with the mystery pack, which I got the gold one, the rarest one. That's good. And then this one, the undead thing. I like the creation crystals a lot though. And here to create Skylanders. So today I'm doing a Skylanders unboxing video. So I'll be unboxing 3 Skylanders, but basically 4 because 1 is a double pack and 2 is a single. One of them was $32 and I saw an adventure pack for $45. It was a lot of money. So first we'll open the Jingle Bells Chompy Mage. So I know it's after Christmas, but it's still December and it's like exclusive. And it might be gone by the time I try to get it again. So what I like about these Skylanders is because they're actually like boxes and they're not really hard to open like the Trap Team ones. Those were pretty hard to open. So now I'm opening the Chompy Mage. And I like it about this one because his puppet is like a snowball and he's like Santa Claus and his feet are like slippers or the boots. But I'm not sure if the mage is supposed to be green or not, but I'm happy about this one. This one is taking a big change because I know Chompy Mage from Skylanders Trap Team, and of course he's not supposed to look this way. So you can tell I'm struggling right now because it's a box, and I think, yeah, I opened it, but I kind of ripped it. But I might be throwing this away anyways. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this is a grass sensei. So now I got a earth, a water, and a grass sensei. Whoa, his staff is wiggling. Okay, open it. Chompy Mage. Epic unboxing for Chompy Mage. Okay, got that instructions out. Okay, open the bottom so it's pretty easy. Okay, there's Chompy Mage. Come on. So there's his face, there's his white little hand puppet, it's like Santa Claus feet, staff. And he is I forgot what thing that is, but it's a gun, and of course he's a grass. It's all on the bottom, it makes the grass symbol, and on the sides it's all leafy like. So yeah, I think, what was this called again? Jingle Bell Chompy Mage. I recommend this one. It looks really cool. Now I haven't played Chompy Mage in Imaginator, so I don't know how good he is. But if you're gonna buy a Skylander by its look, I recommend this one. Sorry, I thought I heard a noise. But it's not fun. Next one I'm opening is, I'm saving the best one for last, by the way. Solar Flare Aurora. Now I wasn't going to buy this one until I saw like Target exclusive. Because I like buying the exclusive Skylanders. And this is a sun type, so I got, you know, I was about to get a Sun Legendary Imaginary Crystal because I went to Toys R Us, but I didn't because they had a deal like buy 2 Skylanders, get 40% off. I saved $6.50, by the way. So, but if I got that one thing, then it would cause me not to get this. So yeah. Now opening this one. Yeah! So again, I'm struggling. I'm hugging. I'm puggling. Nuggling. It was giving me life. Okay. I'm getting it open. Yeah. And it's like I pull it out and then it just flies. I believe I can fly. Okay, open this lid. Yeah, it has a little lid now. Kind of like when you open a box from something. I like the new packaging for Skylanders. I wonder what the next one's going to be like. But let's not think of the next one because this one just came out not very long ago. But I guess no instruction. I'll show you what I like in a bit. I'll lift it up for the camera. So this one is a the shop image is bazooka. And this one is a swashbuckler battler. Whatever it's called. I like about this one because it's black and has flames. It's like fire-like. I really like this one. And she has 2 blades. And I really like how it's a light type. So yeah. This one's really cool. She has 2 blades. So that's cool. Now on to the last one. Let's review back on the ones we got. Jingle Bell Chomping and Solar Flare Aurora. Now on. We'll leave them here. Chomping Solar Flare Aurora. To the most legendary package of all. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm gonna get on with this. It's Crash Bandicoot and Neo Dr. Neo Cortex double pack on Thumpin' Woohoo Island. So this unlocks a level. So yeah, I really like their animation and stuff. He has a huge overbite. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Guest starring Crash Bandicoot and Dr. Neo Cortex. Let's open this thing! Oh wait. Wow. I thought about opening it and I just forgot to peel off the tape. Yeah, they're doing a lot better with the packaging now, and on the front they have a little picture. So if you like displaying your boxes, I do, but I don't think I'm going to display these Skylander boxes. Probably not something I would do. So I played the first Crash Bandicoot and I loved that game. It was really good. Probably hearing the noise. It's probably my cat in the closet or something. So I gotta open that lid and woo! Yes, I've been wanting Crash Bandicoot. Thumpin' Woohoo Islands. Let's open. Oh, gotta pull out this instruction manual. Yeah. First, let's get the Neo or something. Oh. Sorry guys, that was my phone. I'm gonna change my ringtone. Okay. So first we'll open up Dr. Neo Cortex of a tech type. So now I have a light, a grass, a tech, and another grass. So that's Dr. Neo Dr. Neocortex. It's looking cool. This guy created Crash Bandicoot, but he ran off. So yeah, there's that. I like the end symbol on him. It's backwards because my recording is backwards. I'm gonna fix that. So there's Dr. Neocortex. Okay, and now the best one for the last one. Dun 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 dun. There's Crash Bandicoot. Crash Bandicoot. He's like pointing at you. Hello, baby. So he's grass, and he is a fighter. I like his hairstyle. Spyro wants to be just like him. So there's that with my unboxing, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Peace out. Have a wonderful Skylander day.